Hello everybody, and welcome to another video of some racing. So we are at Boxerfest, and of course, same thing that always happens, it's freaking raining. So you know how much I hate rain, so this is going to be some little bit of video of just the autocross portion of Boxerfest, because I'm definitely not recording anything out there. Well, we're about to start in a little bit, but I'm really not looking for a win here. It is basically to be having fun, you know, because I suck at the rain horribly. I suck at the rain. So I'm doing a little Instagram live thing, so hopefully get some, you know, show you a little bit, even though if it's sideways for you guys.
So we're just trying to keep 3 to 4 cars up at the line at all times.
All right, so sounds good.
Once the black STI leaves, then not that one, but the other one.
Okay. Yep, got it. Thank you. And it's a mess out here, and I hate it with a passion, because I hate driving in the rain. So lane has not really let off. It's been pouring down rain all freaking day. Morning guys got a little bit of a, I don't want to say dry, but it wasn't raining like this. So I'm just gonna, you know, drive slowly. What I do, you know, drive really slow. So it's fun.
For this, isn't it?
I know, right?
It's gonna be a fun drive home.
Yeah.
Drive your trailer in.
Trailer it, yeah.
Station 3863 off track.
God damn it. Damn. Wait, well, where is the timer person? Where is it? Damn, that sucks. That is freaking sliding everywhere. Can't get any grip.
Nice and clean.
Thank you. Well, 62. I guess that's good, I guess. I don't know if that's good or not. Let's hope 62 is good, but for my first run, 62. All right, let's see. Oh, I'm stuck in here. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. All right, let's go for another run. My time to beat is 58. So let's hope I get a 58, or some kind of time.
We'll take that.
Yeah. Taking the wheel or the wheel? Okay. I was like, oh, the splitter's right over there.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it lined up on the center of the wheel.
Yeah.
Not the most consistent thing, but yeah, splitters are kind of a cheater bar. We actually were using a lower beam. Go ahead.
Ah, what a crap. hitting no cones on the way. I hope I didn't hit no cones on the way. I probably hit a cone. I feel like I hit a cone. Oh, not too bad. Thank you. 59. Woo! All right, 59. 59, 59, 59. Look at this. Look at this.
What'd you get?
Oh, here we go.
59. Damn. All right. See you.
I gotta beat Alex. Is at freaking 58 already.
What the fuck?
Yeah, like the first run 58, but he said he hit like 4 cones or something like that. So 59. Yes, 59. Got 59. Look at that. Now I wish I had a little bit more grip so I can actually go a little faster on my turns, but oh. All right, let's get to the next one. FML. How is it I have my great luck and this happens, you know? It's like freaking rivers crossing the road now, and now it's even worse. How am I gonna be able to get better with this rain? These tires. Just in case these tires are not good for, you know, the wet. Especially on the track. Especially if you're making sharp turns. Yeah, oh, my little belt is a little, it's not correct, so it's like, it might, you know, pinch my, you know, my little things here. Whatever, I'll fix that later. It's not like I'm gonna crash anywhere. Oh my God, the rain. Why? Let me turn the heater off. Gotta turn the heater off because it's even like kind of coldish. And I gotta make sure I launch it better. I did a horrible launch the last run, so I gotta make sure that I launch it better. Yeah, but I can't, you know, I never really launch on this wet rain, so I don't know if I'm gonna be spinning or, you know, let's see. I gotta pull down my window because, man. Oh my God.
It's just one of those things.
Can I just leave it right there?
Did you bring this front road Atlanta to us?
I don't know, dude. It's been following me since mid Ohio. Yeah.
It's been going on for 2 months.
Yeah. Okay. God damn, can't. Well, I messed up already my run, so it's not like I need to finish this run. Can't see nothing. I already messed up my first run, so let's see how, with all that mess up that I just had, let's see how much. Probably did not finish. Yeah, they got me. Like
sticking together, so I'm trying
Thank you. Oh, that's fine. 68. Yeah, so I freaking messed that thing up. It's whatever. You know, after that, it's just kind of, I was actually trying to like have a little more fun with it, but even though with this, I'm still kind of like understeering, not oversteering. I'm actually understeering.
At 5 total runs at this point.
Okay.
That's what the morning ended up with. Well, they got 5 timed runs. A couple people got a 6th run, but
yeah,
because of the lightning and all.
Okay.
So I don't think it's pretty enjoyable for most people right now.
Yeah.
It's just kind of cold and there's not a whole lot of mingling. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
You can head on up.
Thank you.
So this will be run number 4 and we'll have one more.
Okay. Thank you. All right, I guess will be 5 runs this year. I think last year I got 6. 6, I think it was. I'm not sure, but let's see. This rain sucks. It really does. It sucks balls and many other things, but it is what it is. If I had rain tires, then maybe it'll be a little bit better. Maybe I'll have a little bit more grip. I am understeering, which kinda, I don't know, kinda makes me wanna, like, I don't know, tack on my understeering while wet. So, I'm not sure. Am I on here? Let me see, make sure. Yeah, I'm okay, I'm good. I'm gonna need to run with my windows down, because then I can't see, because I'm on tinted windows, and I get lost because I can't see where the cones are at either. Let's see. I hope I didn't hit a cone. It felt good, but man, so much understeer.
That was a 6-1 at the beginning, correct?
Oh my god, that sucks. 6-1, that sucks. Thank you. There's definitely no, there's definitely no way I can get better than that with this rain. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we are back, and apparently we are not going to be running one last time. See, now it's not really pouring down, so there's a little bit of less water on the road, but apparently we're not going to be running because they're about to call the whole event a little earlier than expected because of the rain. And of course, a lot of people have left. I know a lot of people that came from far away. A lot of people have left. A lot of people actually come from like pretty far away, came here for like an hour or two, and then just left because of the rain. And there are tons of like good raffle stuff, and well, I guess people are saying this is not worth it and leaving. I mean, there's really good like free stuff for the raffle, like wheels and some killer bee stuff, but I was kind of looking forward. This last round was gonna launch the crap out of it and go smooth, slow as fast. you know, smooth. To try to get at least to the 58s, because I don't know what the other guys are running. I know some of them did a 58, but I don't know if they actually hit a cone. So I know I got a 59 with the chute, which is a clean run. So, and then there's other people that I don't know nobody that what they have run. So I know who are the fastest ones between us, but there could be someone that is faster and we have no idea who it is. So this is pretty much it. I'm kind of sad because I was really looking forward to like my next run, and kind of that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's just this of autocrossing, because there's no way to record out here. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one, which is going to be Grit Life. I actually go to Grit Life to the Midwest Festival next week. Is it Midwest Festival? Yeah, I think it's Midwest, which is actually this weekend coming up. So today's Sunday. It's next. I actually leave home at Thursday, so I leave really early. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
Like where you at. I like everything about it.